Hi guys, here I'm going to demonstrate you to solve a Rubik's Cube without any formula. You don't need to memorize any complex formula. The center piece is fixed so it can't be moved but rotate. The color of a face is determined by the center piece. Green would be there just opposite to blue, as the center pieces are fixed. The color of opposite piece remains the same always. Red face is just opposite to orange. White is opposite to yellow. Now we can start to solve the cube. Take blue as bottom layer and solve first. While making plus pattern, make sure the side pieces are matching with the side face. First make a plus pattern and then solve the corners. It is very easy. Fixing bottom layer corners is very easy, required only simple logic. We have finished the bottom layer. Now we can fix the middle layer. There is only one method required to fix the middle layer. Now the pieces to be shifted to the middle layer will be there in the top layer. Arrange the top layer middle piece that to be shifted, in a way that is facing towards you, and rotate front face right or left according to the position required in the middle layer. Now, rotate the front face to right side to align the orange and yellow piece at the right middle layer. Repeat the same steps to fix the yellow and red middle layer. Repeat the same steps to fix the white and orange. Now, fix the white and red. Here you have to rotate the face anti-clockwise because we are fixing the left piece. Middle layer has been finished and we'll fix the top layer now. For fixing the top layer we'll make a plus pattern first. Only one method is required to make the pattern. If you don't get, repeat the same steps. Now we got the pattern. Keep the green corner piece facing left hand side. Do the next method. If you get a fish pattern, keep the 4 same color square to the left hand side similar to the video and repeat the steps. If you don't get, repeat the same steps. Now the top face got the same color with the corners solved. This will happen only sometimes. Most probably you will get the top face solved with unsolved corners. That I will discuss in the end. Here is the final steps to interchange the middle pieces. Invert the front face, then rotate the top layer clockwise or anti-clockwise according to the requirement. The cube is solved now. Next, we'll check out what to do if the corners are unsolved in the top layer. The top layer is all same color. Now check out, these corners are not solved. These 3 corners should be interchanged. Here we go. If there is any 2 solved adjacent corners, keep the adjacent corners behind and do these steps only once, else repeat the steps 2 or 3 times. Please note the position of green, white, orange corner piece as a mark to remember. Now, the corners are solved. Next, interchange the middle pieces. Check out the next video, for the top layer explained in detail. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell button for more videos.